families, and welcome to the 2020 End of the Year Awards ceremony. It's definitely strange that we're not together during this time of celebration, but we are thankful that we have a chance to share with you some of the amazing things that have happened throughout the year. During the COVID shutdown, I've had a lot of time to reflect on the past year and how this new world has impacted us in so many ways. I know that it has been a hard time of not being around family and friends, and our everyday life is so very different than what we felt comfortable with before. But I am sure of many things. First of all, Purdy Panthers, you are resilient. You have shown that no matter the obstacle, you will not only make it through, but you will do it successfully. Teachers and staff, your work to transform face-to-face learning and interactions into an amazing and engaging virtual platform in a matter of hours is truly an unbelievable feat. I'm thankful for the relationships and connections you have continued to build. I'm excited about all the fun learning and discussions that happened. No matter what the future holds, and no matter what format it comes in, you are all part of a special and unique Purdy family. We will always be here for each other. We will always be able to learn together, and we will always do it all together. To our Purdy fifth graders, as you know, we have a special event planned for you on Thursday, June 4th, but I want to celebrate you here also. I know this is not how you imagined finishing out your last year at Purdy, but we all want you to know how very proud we are for all the accomplishments you have made in your time at elementary school. You will continue to do great things in the future to come, and we can't wait for you to go out and represent the very best of what Purdy Elementary is. And now for the awards of the assembly.
Hi guys, it's Mrs. Sparkins coming to you. I have some awards to give out to some students that I'm very proud of. First of all, I would like to congratulate Monica Broadhead for being published in the Southern Lakes Anthology. Her artwork called Coral Cavern was published. I also want to congratulate Mia Oakley for the same thing being published in the Southern Lakes Anthology for her artwork called Wings and Water. You guys did a great job. Congratulations. I also want to congratulate some students who participated in Future Problem Solving, which is an international academic program where students research future world problems, then apply their knowledge in a problem-solving process. These students successfully completed the process. Jackson Hertzfeld, Ian Kopp, Lillian Frederick, Sophia Evanson, and Emma Worth. Nice job, guys. We're really proud of you and congratulations.
And now for the band awards.
Hello, Purdy fifth graders. I am Mrs. Hoffelder, and I am here to announce the fifth grade band participants for the 2019 and 2020 school year. These students completed an entire year of band class together. I will start with our flute section. First of all, I had Monica Broadhead and Bridget Grometer. For clarinets, I had Lily McGee, the one and only. On saxophone, I had three young gentlemen, Carter Hill, Alex Dobreiner, and Christian Perez. I also had three trumpet players, Callie Enger, Cashton Jacquest, and Brian Martinez. On French horn, I had Colton Plattner and Julia Wolfmeyer. And I also had two trombone players, Grayson Esky and Nolan Nim. Cody Reynolds joined them by playing baritone for the low brass. Last but not least, I had two percussion players, Vasher Sampson and Logan Polderin. Really enjoyed working with everybody this year, and I look forward to seeing most of you up at the middle school. So have a great summer, and we will see you soon. Keep playing.
Stop! You need to remember how to walk safely. And now it's time for the Safety Patrol Awards.
Hi, Purdy Panthers. I'm here to talk to you about Safety Patrol. The School Safety Patrol was started in 1935 as just one school. Its purpose was to help elementary children cross streets safely on their way to and from school, and to reduce the number of pedestrian and bicycle collisions involving elementary-age students. To its success, the national pedestrian death rate per 100,000 children aged 5 through 14 has fallen by 93% since 1935. Children in this age group used to have the second highest fatality rate in any age group, and today they have the lowest. And a huge credit is given to the Safety Patrol program across the nation. Today, I would like to recognize our patrollers who have fulfilled their year-long commitment to Safety Patrol. These patrollers have proven to be role models in and out of the classroom. These students have served their respective shifts before and after school, providing a safe crosswalk and traffic control to our streets. They are out there, rain and snow. I now present, in no particular order, your 2019-2020 Safety Patrollers. Olivia Benton, Kira Nelson, Monica Broadhead, Pearson Bodiger, Bridget Grometer, Chloe Montiel, Jennifer Marks, Connor Lubke, Liam Hagee, Owen Linton, Zoe Mayo Taxi, Christian Perez, Jay Merck, Ian Cardenas, Ariana Guthrie, Faith Bishop, Julia Wolfmeyer, Lily McGee, Nolan Nim, Christine Morales, Brody Pempick, Braden Howard, Carmen Miller, Kylie Kaufman, Danny Reese, Justin Musgrove, and Angie Zuniga Palacios. Now I have 4 more names to recognize, but I wanted to give an extra shout out to these next 4. These were our captains this year. They had an extra responsibility to our Safety Patrol team. They were on duty more often, they had to check over all other posts and fill in for no-shows, and they were the people the patrollers came to if they were going to be gone, and the captain had to find someone to fill in. Your 2019-2020 Safety Patrol captains were Callie Enger, Carter Hill, Brian Martinez, and Cody Reynolds. If you see any of these lovely Safety Patrollers, please make sure you give them a shout out for their awesome work on Safety Patrol this year.
Mom, you dropped your money.
Oh my gosh, Ellie, that was so honest of you. Speaking of honesty, up next, the Honesty Awards. The Honesty Award is given to a Purdy Elementary student or staff member that shows incredible acts of honesty demonstrated by one of the kindest actions someone can do, turning in money found around Purdy Elementary. Please help me congratulate this year's Honesty Award winners. Kira Foltz, 5 cents. Nate Frederick, 10 cents. Olivia Lamuro, 10 cents. Ishkaret Mayotaski, 26 cents. Maya Strom, 11 cents. Johnny Reyes, $1. Blake Sampson, 10 cents. Mr. Courtier, $2. And Mrs. Stewart, $1. Congratulations to all of you, and thank you for being amazing role models. Coming up next, the Art Awards.
Yo, what's up, What's up, Pretty Panthers? This is Miss Marchant, and I'm so excited to come talk to you guys because I have some amazing recognition awards right now. We had 8 kids from Purdy represent our school at the Ernie Pope Art Show, which is crazy because that means you're some of the best artists in the whole community of Fort Atkinson. Congratulations. I would like to say congratulations to Callie Enger, amazing work, Carter Hill, Cash and Jack West, Christina Morales, Archer Griffith, Bridget Grometer, Skylar Otteson, and Lillian McKinney. You guys did magical work. I'm so proud of you, and I can't wait to see you guys, what more artwork you can do next year. See you later. Bye.
And now for the Presidential Academic Awards. The following awards are Presidential Academic Awards given to our 5th grade students. This is the highest honor that can be earned by a 5th grader who is transitioning to the middle school. Our first is our Presidential Award for Academic Achievement, which recognizes a student that has shown outstanding educational growth, improvement, commitment, or development in their academic subjects. This award encourages and rewards students who work hard and give their very best effort in school, and sometimes in the face of additional obstacles. Please help me congratulate this year's Presidential Award for Academic Achievement: Colton Plattner, Chloe Montiel, Zoe Mayo-Toski, Aiden Hollinger. The Presidential Award for Academic Excellence is given to students who have achieved an advanced score on the Forward exam in either math or ELA. They also received no more than 3 2s on the 5th grade report card in core areas. Please help me congratulate this year's Presidential Awards for Academic Excellence. They include Bridget Grometer, Monica Broadhead, Carter Hill, Mia Oakley, Brody Gorley, Cashton Jacquest, Callie Enger. Congratulations, 5th graders. As we bring our 2020 assembly to a close, I just want to send a special thank you to you, the families, as well. This was a very unprecedented time, and you stepped into a huge role that you weren't prepared for, and you did an amazing job. So we thank you and celebrate you for all your work as well. An extra special thank you to our PTO board members this year, our President Jackie Flack, our Vice President Amy Reynolds, our Secretary Casey Evenson, and Treasurer Sherry Siglinski. You did an amazing job leading our parent group through some awesome activities that really support our children. Also to all of our committee members, Sam Lamoureux, Rachel Broadhead, Cassie Werner, Sarah Jones, Carrie Hill, Caitlin and David Frederick, Jolyn Baldry, Heather Webb, Christine Vandermouse, and Lindsay Zeitzler. We could not have done what was accomplished this year without you. So Purdy Panthers, I wish you all an amazing summer. Stay safe, and I can't wait for us to be all back together again soon. Take care.